car that needs programming, and I know how much you enjoy watching, so wanna come?
Okay. Hey guys, it's Kylie and Megan, and we are here today. Julio will be programming this 2008 Subaru Legacy.
He's gonna be programming this transponder key as well as this Ilco lookalike remote key.
So I think we're ready to get started. We hope you guys enjoy the show.
Let's get to programming. So the first thing I did was check to make sure that this vehicle, which is a 2008 Subaru Legacy, that it works for the Autek. So I went to the application guide, which is on the product page for this. Check the link down below for that. And it can do this. It will be able to do these keys. So now we can move forward. So I'm gonna go to key program, and this is, as I said, a Subaru. And we're gonna go by vehicle. This is a Legacy, and it is a 2008. All right, so first off, we're going to do the key. So I have the transponder key here. We're gonna click key and, okay, turn ignition on. Okay. All right, so all keys lost. I'm gonna click OK, and this is gonna communicate with the car for a while. Okay, so now we're gonna program the next one. We've gotta do, I'm gonna take this one out. We're gonna put the remote key in. Insert new key and turn ignition on. Just did that, okay. And let that one look at this key. Okay, so we only have these two keys, so instead of programming the next one, we are going to hit escape, which is just go back really quick. All right, and that says success. So now we want to program the buttons on here. So we're going to go back one more time. We're done with that. We're going to go to remote. All right. Using the remote, turn ignition on. Okay. And program remote. So this 8-digit security code. So this key came from Ilco with the code needed for this. So that is where you will find that code. It should be with that key. So I'm going to input that here. Okay, and that is completed. Okay, so what I had to do here, we programmed this transponder as a regular key. We programmed the key for this remote so that it would start the car, and then separately we had to go through and do the remote so that the buttons would work. So let's just check, make sure everything's good. It starts A-OK. And sometimes with these, you need to wait anywhere from 30 seconds, maybe to 2 minutes. It just needs a minute to program the buttons. So we'll give it a second here. All right, we waited just a second, and the buttons are working now. So we are good to go on that. This is programmed. We've got this one programmed. And that's how that's done. That was easy.
That was impressive.
I have a tendency to make things look easy.
Well, we know you're amazing, but how did the Autek do?
The Autek was great. It was really simple to use, smooth, and it's a really great programmer for anybody wanting to get in the automotive industry.
If you guys haven't had a chance to check out the Autek yet, you guys should. We'll have a link in the description below. You guys can check it out.
Also, don't forget to comment with #LockBoss to be entered to win and possibly be one of our 5 winners for our Tuesday live giveaway.
We hope you guys enjoyed hanging out with Julio just as much as we did. See you next time.
me do it one more time.
Okay.
You just say, yeah.
Okay, I'll be your able.
Sorry, hold on. Someone's ready. Is it coming off? Is it coming off?
A little bit.
A little bit, but I think it's fine.
I'm gonna need glue or something. This is bad.
Julio!
He's not plugged in all the way.
That smells so stupid.
I don't know. Julio hasn't programmed since the last time.
I think Julio needs to come around more.
New key here.
I'm sorry, can we redo that shot? I was like zooming weirdly.
Yeah, that's fine. These aren't cut. These aren't cut.
We can't do it when they're not cut.
Neither of them are cut.
Okay, we're I'm like reading.
That's a blooper.
Okay, that's I just started playing. You know, this is my bug bite.
Aww.
You see it? I keep itching it.
It's very hot.
I know. The AC's like,
Okay.
let's just go take it for a spin to get it. I mean, what do you think that's maybe just all pull out? Just
take it around the block. Alrighty. That was easy.
Yeah, that was impressive.
I forgot what I was supposed to say after that.
I do have tendency to make things look easy.
I don't think it would do any good at this point. Are you still filming?
Yeah.
Awesome. Okay.
The bloopers are gonna be as long as the actual video.
Do you think?
People will love it.
Oh my sweet Lanta, Georgia.
Don't burn yourself.
It's so hot. Okay, this is the part where I look cool. What am I doing?
Like,
Oh, sweet Lanta. Is my mustache straight?
yeah, it's good enough.
Okay.
That was great.
That was great. I was like, what does a man do? I think I actually lost.
Oh no.
Yeah, what I do is I walk around the car, like kind of check it out, and then when you come around here, just like
Oh my gosh.
slap it and it's over.